Why you keep playing this game? Yeah,
Tell her, baby.
yeah, yeah, playing these games.
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Fuck whack hoes hate under my pictures on the gram. Bitch, you better hope I never run across your man.
Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, we're gonna jump right into it. You're gonna need some baking soda, dishwashing liquid, and some clarifying shampoo. So the clarifying shampoo is very, very important. This is an old wig that I have for a few months now. I'm just gonna turn it into a different color. Now I wanted to do it without using any bleach. So I went on YouTube and I just did a whole bunch of research, and this is something that I came across. I'm like, oh, well, let me try it. So this is the first concoction that we're doing, the first batch of it. Now I ended up doing this 3 times because the hair is red. Now this wig, it was not 613. It was like a nice light brown, but just not blonde. And I went ahead and just turned it red. I really was going for a different look, so I'm like, hey, let me just try something. So we're just gonna put this in and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now again, I did do this 3 times, so I did finish the box and I only used 1 box for it. So it depending on what color wig you have, you might need 2 boxes, but just to be safe, you always want more than less, okay? So this is, I believe this is the second time that I'm doing it. And again, I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. Now my camera did die. Like this whole recording, my camera was acting crazy, okay? So it's gonna be a lot of like, probably missed parts, but I feel like I put in as much as I could. So this is the outcome after doing it 3 times. And I did not condition it or shampoo it throughout this process because shampoo is already in there. I just washed it out before I went ahead and did it again. And this is the outcome of everything. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into the coloring. Okay, I'm pretty sure y'all seen a lot of watercoloring videos, so I'm not really gonna talk over this part. I'm just gonna let it play, and after this I'm gonna come back with a clip of how the wig looks after it's dried and everything like that.
Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame with you. You wanna make a change? I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Baby, you bad. Fuck the niggas in the past. And if your ex ever run down, we gon' leave that nigga where he at. Gang with me in the trap. They been waiting just to spaz. They be really in they bag. I've been waiting for a bag. I cannot waste time showing feelings to bitches. They always lie to a nigga. Tell me you love me, baby girl, I know that you lying, cause I still be lying to bitches. Call me on FaceTime saying nothing but lies. That's why I don't argue with bitches. I swear I don't argue with bitches. Go ahead and cry me a river. Ooh, please don't get me in my mood. I like my money in twos. I like my women in twos. Women in twos, yeah. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame with you. You wanna making a change? I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. And you wanna making a change? I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. And you wanna making a change? I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. And you wanna making a change? I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Baby, you bad. Fuck the niggas in the past. And if your ex ever run down, we gon' leave that nigga where he at. Gang with me in the trap. They been waiting just to spaz. They be really in they bag. I've been waiting for a bag. I cannot waste time showing feelings to bitches. They always lie to a nigga. Tell me you love me. me, baby girl, I know that you lying, cause I still be lying to bitches. Call me on FaceTime, saying nothing but lies. That's why I don't argue with bitches. I swear I don't argue with bitches. Go ahead and cry me a river, ooh. Please don't get me in my mood. I like my money in twos. I like my women in twos. Women in twos, yeah. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame with you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. Niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame with you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Baby, you bad. Fuck the niggas in the past. And if your ex ever run down, we gon' leave that nigga where he at. Gang with me in the trap. They been waiting just to spaz. They be really in they bag. I've been waiting for a bag. I cannot waste time showing feelings to bitches. They always lie to a nigga. Tell me you love me, baby girl, I know that you lying, cause I still be lying to bitches. Call me on FaceTime, saying nothing but lies.
Okay, so I went ahead and did my ball cap method off camera, and then I came back and just placed the wig on my head just to line it up with my hairline. Now I am using Bold Hold Extreme. This is like the only glue that I use on myself that I feel like really works for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply 3 layers. Now my camera is going to cut off, and I didn't know it cut off, so it missed that part. But then I'm just gonna come back once the wig is on my head after applying the glue and whatever, and I'm just gonna be cutting off the extra lace that I don't really need.
You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. And you wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you.
Okay, so here I'm just gonna start to take out some pieces from the front just for some baby hairs. Now I don't really want a lot of baby hairs in this particular style because the size is not really gonna show like that. The important thing to me is just like the part in the middle, but I'm still gonna make it look as realistic as possible. Now I couldn't pluck too much on this hair because like at the sides it's not too much parting space, but you can't really tell the way I did that. You feel me?
Fuck the niggas in the past. And if your ex ever run down, we gon' leave that nigga where he at. Gang with me in the trap. They been waiting just to spaz. They be really in they bag. I've been waiting for a bag. I cannot waste time showing feelings to bitches. They always lie to a nigga. Tell me you love me, baby girl, I know that you lying, cause I still be lying to bitches. Call me on FaceTime, saying nothing but lies. That's why I don't argue with bitches. I swear I don't argue with bitches. Go ahead and cry me a river, ooh. Please don't get me in my mood. I like my money in twos. I like my women in twos. Women in twos, yeah. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame with you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame.
Okay, so after all that plucking and using the hot comb to push the hair back, I'm just gonna add some makeup to the hairline. Right now I am using a powder foundation, but later on I'm gonna go in with my what's that, the LA Girl concealer, and just put it on top of that because I feel like that sits a little bit better.
I wanna make a change with you, and niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame with you. And you wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you, and niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Baby, you bad, fuck the niggas in the past, and if your ex ever run down, we gon' leave that nigga where he at, gang with me in the trap, they been waiting just to spaz, they be really in they bag, I've been waiting for a bag, I cannot waste time showing feelings to bitches, they always lie to a nigga, tell me you love me, baby girl, I know that you lying, cause I still be lying to bitches, call me on FaceTime, saying nothing but lies, that's why I don't argue with bitches, I swear I don't argue with bitches, go ahead and cry me a river, ooh, please don't get me in my mood, I like my money in two, I like my women in twos, yeah, why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame with you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame with you. And you wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Baby, you bad, fuck the niggas in the past, and if your ex ever run down, we gon' leave that nigga where he at, gang with me in the trap, they been waiting just to spaz, they be really in they bag, I've been waiting for a bag, I cannot waste time showing feelings to bitches, they always lie to a nigga, tell me you love me, baby girl, I know that you lying, cause I still be lying to bitches, call me on FaceTime, saying nothing but lies, that's why I don't argue with bitches, I swear I don't argue with bitches, go ahead and cry me a river, ooh, please don't get me in my mood, I like my money in two, I like my women in twos, yeah, why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame with you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame with you. And you wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Baby, you bad, fuck the niggas in the past.
Okay, so I'm using some big sexy hairspray because I ran out of Got To Be at the last minute and I didn't have time to go get any. And I'm gonna just use some spritz and spray it right at the just right there at the front, just to hold the lift, just right before I use the hot comb and push it back, because I don't want it to be like really flat straight down in my face. I just want it to have like a little itty bitty lift. So that's what the spritz is for, and I feel like the spritz holds it a lot better.
I like my women in twos, women in twos, yeah. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame with you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. Niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame with you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Why you keep playing these games? I'm tired of playing these games with you. You treat me like I'm a lame. I'm tired of being a lame to you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you. Baby, you bad. Fuck the niggas in the past. And if your ex ever run down, we gon' leave that nigga where he at. Gang with me in the trap. They been waiting just to spaz. They be really in they bag. I've been waiting for a bag. I cannot waste time showing feelings to bitches. They always lie to a nigga. Tell me you love me, baby girl, I know that you lying, cause I still be lying to bitches. Call me on FaceTime saying nothing but lies. That's why I don't argue with bitches. I swear I don't argue with bitches. Go ahead and cry me a river. Ooh, please don't get me in my mood. I like my money in twos. I like my women in twos. Women in twos, yeah.
Y'all see how this came out? Like, you see me? Yes. Like, no, this came out so cool, and it's so cute. Like, I love the color. I love everything. If you guys want to change the color of like your old wigs or anything like that, use this method, and it's very inexpensive. I got all the stuff from Dollar Tree, so I literally spent $3. Okay, that's it. Just $3 just for this, compared to going to buy the bleach and the developer in the stores, which is gonna be over like $10-15. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'm out of here. Yes.
I'm tired of being a lame to you. You wanna making a change. I wanna make a change with you. And niggas be saying the same, but me, I ain't playing these games with you.